Well, I go by the name of Big Country. Represent Cali South, the Wild Wild West, minus the horses. Bottle poppers, fucking bottles. Bless models, all these bitches better bottle. Fuck the end of the rainbow, I'm the pot of gold. I don't like pot of donuts,
See
got a
those
pot of
motherfuckers?
gold.
140s, nigga?
Too many motherfucking bottles.
Dumbbells? Yeah, I'm gonna be lifting those next week. I'm gonna be lifting 140s next week. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Crispy, you know I gotta keep on K, the gun with me. He tryna take my life, he going with me. Sometimes I like to dibble dabble in the Whitney. I drunk a keg on the weekend, need a kidney. Hut, 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 huddle up. We about to run the one play, go and get the butt. If you donated some, still couldn't get no fucks. My money long, like years. About to go to space and copper store. Before the captain dog, just
Hey!
Yo, talking shop and it's like that.
Welcome back to the top. It is your boy Big Country. Today we on a rainy day schedule. It's supposed to be raining out here in Venice Beach. I actually been on in Venice for the last 2 summers and I never walked to the water. I actually walked halfway to the water with my Indian friend and we had sex on the beach. Hey, what's up, Monique? But yeah, right now I'm walking to the water for the first time in the so I've been here for the last 2 summers and haven't walked to the water. Like I said, I've been halfway to the water, but we went to the water now. I'm gonna get back to you guys when we get to the water. Peace. Water, here we come. A rainbow tea. Well, here we are. Look at the ocean. The deep blue sea. Oh, that was a fish. Fuck. Turning 5s into 7s daily. Well, it's breakfast time. Bacon and egg croissant. I got some Aunt Mama syrup in there. Ice, my Pepsi, cinnamon roll, orange jelly. Rest in peace to the pigs. Well, here getting some Mexican food down the street from the house in Long Beach. Yep. Go check some out. I don't like pot of donuts, got a pot of nose. Bottle pops, too many motherfucking bottles.